Hi orchestra, Mr. Droz here. We're talking about accidentals on your instruments today, the sharps and the flats. If we move towards the bridge, the pitch is getting higher, and so we say it's getting sharper. Even though your hand is moving down, the pitch sounds higher. Just a little bit higher. So remember, towards the bridge is sharp. Now if you move your hand towards the scroll, the pitch is getting lower, and so we say it's getting flatter. Let's listen to that. Just a little bit lower. Even though your hand is moving up, the note, it sounds lower in pitch. So remember, towards the scroll is flat. Let's take an example for this one. So everybody, you can try this with me. First finger on the G string, that's the note A. And if we move just one spot towards the bridge, that's the sharp. We're going to add a sharp, so now that's A sharp. A little bit higher. Let's go back to that A. If we move one spot towards the scroll, we're going to add a flat, and that is now A flat. Now this is super important, orchestra. A flat, A sharp, and A are not the same note. It's kind of like Coca-Cola. You got your cherry Coca-Cola, you got your Coke Zero, you got your regular Coca-Cola. It's all Coca-Cola, but they're not the same thing. Okay, make sure that you treat A sharp, A flat, and A natural as different things. So let's go ahead and talk about the notes that happen between the open strings and our first finger tape now. So since we have these new rules, we can figure some things out. We just figured out that if we take first finger A and we move it towards the scroll, that's now the note A flat. If we're trying to figure out what this note is, first finger E, we move towards the scroll, it's now E flat. B, now B flat. If I had an E string, then we go from F sharp to F natural, because we take that sharp away, so now it's just regular F. These notes can also be called by their sharp names. So let's take our open G, and if we're thinking about coming at it from open G, we're going towards the bridge, so we add a sharp. It's now G sharp. D, going towards the bridge, becomes D sharp, A sharp, C sharp. Now I want you to notice we now have two names for these notes. We have A flat and we have G sharp. Notice that those two are played the same and they sound the same. A flat, G sharp, they sound the same. Notes that sound the same and are played the same, but we spell them differently with letter names, we call those enharmonic equivalents. That's a big fancy word, but just think about it. Equivalent meaning equal. They sound the same. We'll get into some more details about this next time.